Hello everyone, welcome to the 8th video of FSP Science Contest. In this video, we'll break down question booklet of grade 5 and 6 for the year 2022. So grab your pen and notebook and let's commence. Question 1. The images below show 4 pairs of magnets. The magnets in different pairs do not affect each other. All the magnets shown are made of the same material, but some of them are of different sizes and shapes. Think about the magnetic force between the magnets in each pair. Select the pair with the magnetic force of smallest magnitude. The correct option is C. Question 2. Intake of carbon dioxide and giving out of oxygen is a process named A. Photosynthesis. Question 3. Compared to the temperature, more oxygen is present in option C. Cold water. Question 4. A savanna is a warm grassland with a few trees and shrubs. Savannas have a long dry season, during which food is hard to find. Some animals solve this problem by eating the leaves of tall trees. Which animal's neck is the best adapted for reaching the branches of a tall acacia tree? Correct option is A. Giraffe. Question 5. Which property do these 4 objects have in common? Sapphire, bracelet, trombone, metal bar. Select the best answer. Correct option is A. Shiny. Question 6. Crystal Cove is a beach in Southern California. It was mostly clear at the beach on Friday because there was a high pressure system over the coast. Does this passage describe the weather or the climate? Hint: weather is what the atmosphere is like at a certain place and time. Climate is the pattern of weather in a certain place. The correct option is A. Weather. Question 7. The text below describes a pair of opposing forces. Read the text, then answer the question below. 2 dogs, Buddy and Lana, play with a rope. Think about 2 of the forces that act on the rope. Lana pulls away from Buddy. Buddy pulls towards himself. As Buddy pulls on the rope, what is the direction of the opposing force? Correct option is A. Away from Buddy. Question 8. We can find them growing on the ground in deserts, on the sides of dry rock, hanging from the branches of trees. Those are C. Lichens. Question 9. Aslam purchased a large trash can for his office. What could be its volume? Select the best estimate. Correct option is C. 17 gallons. Question 10. Ahmed intends to visit his friend in the neighboring city. How long is the road from his city to his friend's city? Select the best estimate. Correct option is D. 3 miles. Question 11. Breathing is a process that refers to the inhaling and exhaling of B. Air. Question 12. Read the passage, then answer the question. Most of Earth's surface is covered by salt water located in oceans. Ocean water contains between 3% and 4% salt. This is about as salty as 1 teaspoon of salt mixed into 6-ounce cup of water. The water in rivers also contains a tiny amount of salt. Rivers eventually carry this salt into oceans. As ocean's water evaporates, salts and minerals are left behind. Over time, the ocean becomes more and more salty. A. Ocean water contains equal amounts of salt and water. B. Rivers move salt into oceans. C. Salt remains in the oceans when ocean water evaporates. D. Glaciers cover most of Earth's surface. How many of the above statements are true? The correct option is B. 2. Question 13. 2 magnets are placed as shown. Will these magnets attract or repel each other? Correct option is A. Attract. Question 14. Below are three examples of using energy from natural resources. Select the use of energy that did not add to air pollution. So the correct option is B. A power plant used a river's flowing water to produce electricity. This type of power plant is called a hydroelectric power plant. Question 15. People use apple trees for food. We usually eat the part of this plant that contains the seeds. It grows from a pollinated flower. Which part of the apple tree do we usually eat? Correct option is A. The fruit. Question 16. Weather on Earth is caused by heat from the sun and wind. C. Question 17. Which organ allows nutrients from digested food to be absorbed into the body's bloodstream? Correct option is D. Small intestine. Question 18. A fish near the surface of the water might look like easy prey, but many fish are fast and slippery. This helps them escape from predators. Which animal's feet are best adapted to grab a fish swimming near the surface of water? The correct option is C. Mallard. Question 19. Select the part whose main job is to give strength and stiffness to a plant cell. The correct option is B. Cell wall. Question 20. Ella plays with her niece. When she pulls the sledge rope forward, the rope also pulls her backward. As Ella walks, she can feel the pull of the rope on her hand. What is the direction of this force? The correct option is A. Toward the rope. Question 21. To check a leaf that either it's made of food or not, we can use test using iodine solution. Question 22. Ajmal needs a funnel to do an experiment in the science lab. Which of the following he needs? Option B. Question 23. Ariba purchased a new pen. How long that could be? Select the best estimate. A. 6 inches. Question 24. Sohra is drinking coffee in a cold day of winter. What could be the temperature of a cup of hot coffee? Select the best estimate. Correct option is B. 145 degree Fahrenheit. Question 25. Daewoo Pakistan added a new bus into their fleet. What could be the mass of that city bus? Select the best estimate. Correct option is B. 10 tons. Question 26. Our solar system is made up of the sun and all the objects that move around it. These objects include planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. The sizes of the objects in the solar system are difficult to imagine without the help of a model. Models make certain characteristics of a solar system easier to understand. A model can be a physical object, a graph, a diagram, or a simulation. The diagram below is a model that shows the relative sizes of the Sun, the Moon, and Earth. The two small dots represent the accurate sizes of Earth and the Moon compared to the Sun. A close-up view of Earth and the Moon is also shown. Complete the sentence to estimate the diameter of the Sun compared to Earth. The Sun's diameter is about dash times greater than Earth's. The correct option is A. 100. Question 27. The passage below describes a student creating a physical model of Earth's rotation. Tony is creating a model showing how Earth rotates over the course of one day. He uses a globe to represent Earth. Tony knows that Earth spins on its axis, completing one rotation every 24 hours. He slowly spins the globe counterclockwise, completing one rotation in about 6 seconds. In Tony's model, 1 second of rotation represents about B. 4 hours. Question 28. Use the graph to answer the question below. Select the best weather prediction for Rio de Janeiro in November. The correct answer is D. Question 29. Natural hazards map can show data about large areas such as entire countries or smaller areas such as states or cities. The map below shows data about tornadoes in a region. Which of the following areas had the largest number of tornadoes between 1989 and 2030? The correct option is C. CX. Question 30. Read the text about an animal in motion. A gecko used its sticky feet to crawl from the bottom of a window to the top of the window. Complete the statement. Assume that the gecko's mass did not change. The gravitational potential energy stored between the gecko and Earth dash as the gecko crawled on the window. Correct option is A. Increased. Well, that's all for this video. Hope you must have learned a lot. For more videos like this, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.